Welcome back. BJP has decided to support Lokayukta Bill 2003. Justice Hegde had advised state government to place amended 2003 Lokayukta Bill and pass it in the upcoming assembly session. This bill was passed in 2007 by the State Assembly, but President of India had denied a consent to this bill. Now BJP too has supported 2003 bill.
Discussion, Majority Chief Minister, he called me for 2 minutes, and I had suggested to him long back that use the same bill, introduce it, minus those 2-3 things. It will be much faster. If you are serious about the job, amend it, section 18, by just saying one line, subject to provision of Right to Information Act. If these 2 corrections are made, the bill is acceptable to the central government and we can agree to it immediately. Maybe we can suspend all rules. I am ready to suspend all rules if a genuine old bill which had gone through the committee and which even Hegde said is reasonably good, we can start with it. Keeping in view that Assembly is meeting only for 2 days, he can introduce it with these modifications, amendments on first day. We will allow government to discuss it and pass it on the second day.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has announced a special gallery in the memory of Dr. Dada Vaidya at the Old Secretariat. He was speaking at Dr. Dada Vaidya award ceremony held at Ravindra Bhavan.
Old Secretariat, Sarkar Center for Art and Culture, center thing करता. Full Adil Shah Palace, he converted to. तो एक सामके असे सेंटर की दा कोया तो टुरिस्ट येता तो थंय वचून ताणे ते पळोवचे आसा. तातूंत भितर काही दालना दवरपाची केल्ली आसा. अशा लोकांची तांणी गोंयच्या खातीर कॉन्ट्रिब्युशन केल्लें आसा. आनी म्हाका खात्री आसा ह्या थंय एक दालन डॉक्टर दादा वैद्याचें आसतलें.
Dr. Manmohan Prabhu Desai was awarded with the Pranacharya Bishgavar Dada Vaidya Samajsevi Dr. Puraskar on Sunday at Ravindra Bhavan in Madgaon. He was felicitated by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath for his contribution to the society in the field of medicine. Transport Minister Sudhin Dhavrikar, Dr. M.K. Vaidya, Dr. Kiran Vaidya, Dr. Sridhar Phadke and others were present at the function. Dr. Manmohan Prabhu Desai announced a separate ward for senior citizens at Trimurti Hospital in Borda, Madgaon.
भारतात अशी सुविधाची कमी आसा. ज्येष्ठ नागरिकांची संख्या वाढत आसा. शिवाय नवे लोकांक तोंड दिवचें पडटा. अडचणी, कुटुंब वेवस्था नष्ट जायत आशिल्ल्या. ताका चड महत्व आहे.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Warka Gram Sabha witnessed chaotic scenes on Sunday. The Gram Sabha was held after a gap of 540 days. Some of the villagers were agitated over the delay in holding the Gram Sabha. Local MLA Churchill Alema was present for the Gram Sabha. He assured assistance to the families that come under the BPL scheme.
Chaotic scenes were witnessed at the Warka Gram Sabha on Sunday as it was held after a gap of 540 days. Previous Gram Sabha was held on March 28, 2010. Villagers alleged that during this 540 days, Panchayat has issued NOCs to many projects. They have now demanded disqualification of the Sarpanch.
Suggestion मागिल्ली हांवें मुगे 15 क्वेश्चन गायली 15 क्वेश्चन घालून तितूंतलो सारको एक जबाब मेळना आनी हे ग्राम सभा हेजेर हांव मागोता गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन जेन्ना 1 or 2 वयर जरी तर ग्राम सभा गेली नाय जे 5 जो सरपंच रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहा ताका इमिडिएट डिस्क्वालिफाय करचे.
The local MLA and PWD Minister Churchill Alema was also present for the meeting. Alema was sure to assist the families under BPL schemes. Our reporter from Warka, Samir Bhatt.
Let's take another short break. Stay tuned.